Hi guys, so this is the look that you all requested on the Instagram and Facebook polls. Pink smoky eye. I normally do not do smoky looks because I feel like they just look really harsh on me. But this one came out really cute. Here's what it looks like. I also normally do not wear lashes because I feel like my lashes are pretty decent on their own and lashes are just a pain in the butt, and I don't like messing with them all day, putting glue on, and they just don't stay on me that well for whatever reason. I don't know what it is. So yeah, stay tuned and keep watching for the tutorial. So I'm going to use this MSQ brush. There's no numbers, but these are from Amazon. I will link them below. So first I'm going to just start off with Matte Poet in the crease. And you need the smallest amount of these, like just tap it in once. Tap off the excess, otherwise you're gonna have a really hard time. So right now, the line is looking harsh, but we are going to blend it out. I see a lot of people just leaving it like this and calling that blended. I mean, if you want to call that blended, that's fine, but I don't really call it blended. To me, that is a very harsh line. I'm going to take this Sonia Kashuk brush, just a really fluffy brush. I'm going to take that Aura, blend the crap out of it. We might have to pull in a light pink shade from another palette, because that's what I had to do last time I put this in the crease. So we're basically just doing windshield wiper motions on the edge of that. Zoom in a little bit more here. There we go. And you can see that that edge is more blended, but it's still a pretty harsh line. So I am going to grab a lighter pink. I'm going to use that Dream Maker from the ColourPop Sweet Talk palette. Use this light pink shade with that same brush. So what I'm going to do is just tap on the edge of it and then blend, so we can distribute the color and then blend it out, so we're not putting all the color in one area. See how it just blends a lot better. It just kind of fades from the dark pink, the light pink, and then the neutral. I'm going to take a little bit more of that light pink. This top part is blended, but right there we're still getting a little bit of a harsh line. So I'm going to put more of the pink right there. Now ideally you would probably want to use a cool tone pink to blend it out, but I kind of like the cool with the warm. Take that dark pink again with a small fluffy brush, and I'm going to place that on the lower lash line. Just back and forth blending. We're putting the darkest color closest to our eyeball. I'm going to take that light pink shade again and blend out the lower lash line with that. so it kind of matches the top there. Now what I think I'm gonna do is pull hot pink, put on the inner corner because I really want this to be kind of like a hot pink smoky eye. I'm taking this other Sonia Kashuk brush. I'm taking the Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palette, the pink one. And I'm going to use this hot pink shade. I'm just going to put that on the inner corner. Sometimes I put down a white base, but I don't really want this to be like too neon. I mean, that is already looking pigmented enough for me. So I'm just doing about half of the eye because I do blend the colors together. That same brush, I'm going to take Sequin Poet. See how it has those blue flags? I love that. I am going to take that same brush and then I'm going to put it in the middle, right where we ended that hot pink. And just kind of run it back and forth so it blends with that pink. Then we're going to bring it over to the outer third of the eye. Take a little more of that hot pink again. And then I'm going to put it on top of that. And just keep flipping over the brush to blend them. Just kind of do a little shimmy motion with the brush there. Then I'm going to take that Sequin Memory. So pretty. It has like purple, gold, and a little bit of green in there. That shade is really pigmented, so tap it off. So then I'm going to put that on the outer third. I'm going to take that Sequin Poet again and just put it on top of the black where they meet. Shimmy to blend. I'm going to blend a little bit of that black into the crease. So what I'm going to do is take some of that pink and just really quickly tap into that sequin, just really lightly just tap. And this brush, see how I just have the pink and a little touch of black on there, and then the brush is kind of pinched like that. So I'm going to just blend into the crease and kind of bring that black and darkness up a little bit. So when you're blending, you really just want to do little circles, windshield wiper motions. And then we're bringing it to about the second third of the eye, about right here where the iris ends. Be careful not to go too low into that hot pink. You really just want to tuck it into that crease right there. And you can also tap, because tapping doesn't lift any color. Sometimes the rubbing back and forth can actually lift some of the color. I don't really like that. I'm going to take some more of that light pink from the ColourPop palette and blend that out a little bit more. And we're going to go with the beige shade and just tap over that. So we have a smooth crease. You can put a shimmery shade under your brow. I sometimes do, but normally I don't. So you can use your finger for the glitter, but if you're trying to do like a more precise area, you would want to use a brush. And that with this formula, use either, but for this glitter you do not need a glitter glue. I'm using the glitter, and I'm just gonna put that just over the two pink shades, not over the black. Sometimes I do pull an inner corner highlight from a different palette just because I really like that inner corner highlight. Take this random highlight that I have. This brand no longer exists, this palette no longer exists, but I'm just gonna take a shade like this and just put it on the inner corner lightly. Like so. People like to put on their waterline. I used to do that as a teenager, but I no longer do that. Like the look on myself because it makes my eyes look smaller, as most people. This looks really harsh on me. Do eyeliner on the top. This is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster Waterproof Ultra Fine Liquid Eyeliner. This is a brush tip. It is not a felt tip. I do not like felt tips because they like soak up your eyeshadow, and it's when I'm doing eyeliner, so you guys are just gonna have to watch. Please start out here, bring it in, and then just fill it in. So that liner turned out really fat, but whatever. This is just how it happens sometimes. I curl my lashes. This is a Tarte eyelash curler. And then I'm using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. It's like this. You can get this at Ulta. Mascara I've ever used. Just saying. And that is the finished eye. I'm gonna do the how there's no fallout that I can really see. If you have any fallout, a really good trick is to just take a really big fluffy brush and just gently sweep it away. Don't press hard, just gently sweep it away. My other eye, the rest of my face, and I will be right back. So this is the finished look. I will post everything that's on my face in the description box below. My lips is ColourPop lip liner and lippy sticks in Tootsie, and then NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie, and a really old Sephora lip gloss that has like pink and purple glitter in it. That is pretty much it. Let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial on foundation and concealer or contour and highlight. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I can do some more polls. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else. You can comment on the post on Facebook, you can comment on the post on Instagram, you can leave a comment here on the YouTube video. I will see you guys later. Bye!